Assalamu alaikum. Let us start how to install Python in Windows operating system. I have already downloaded Python 3.12.1. Double click on it to install. Select install now, then and wait. Installation is in process. Please wait. Installation is almost complete. Please wait. Almost complete. Create a folder to save file from Python program in any hard drive. Open this folder. Installation is successfully completed now. Press close button and restart the system. Successfully completed. Restart the system and open the folder which we create. At title bar, write CMD to open command prompt. Type Python and press enter. Python interpreter opened successfully. You can write execute Python command directly here or open the save file to execute. Thanks to the video.